Hello and welcome to Customs Declarations UK. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of submitting an import customs declaration for goods moving from a customs bonded warehouse to home use, utilizing a deferment account for payment. This declaration will be submitted by an agent. Step-by-step process. Authorizations begin by adding the necessary authorizations. Customs Warehouse Authorization. Deferment Payment Authorization. Customs Comprehensive Guarantee Authorization. Declaration Type and Procedure Code. Set the declaration type to H1 with an additional type, A. Input the procedure code, 4071000, for goods that have arrived. Previous declarations and MRN. Under Section 7, reference the MRN, movement reference number, from the previous declaration when the goods were initially moved into the bonded warehouse. Location and identification. Specify the location of the goods. Use the location of goods type as B, authorized place, and use the qualifier Y for the authorization number and provide the exact location details. Mention the supervising customs office details and the identification of the warehouse. Guarantees and authorizations. Select the required guarantees and authorizations under the Guarantees and Authorizations section. Declaration representative status. Since the declaration is submitted by an agent, specify the representative status as either direct or indirect. Final review and submission. Review all details in the declaration, ensuring all necessary sections are complete and accurate. Acknowledge the duties payable, displayed at this stage, which in this scenario totals £189.08. Conclusion. Once your review is complete, you can proceed to download a PDF of your declaration by clicking on the PDF icon. Thank you for watching this tutorial from customs-declarations.uk. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this one. Until next time, goodbye from all of us here at customs-declarations.uk.